One of my favorite features of the Pixel 10 series devices is the built-in magnets, or as they call it, Pixelsnap, which many of you know is the Pixel's version of MagSafe. I did a video on my favorite Pixelsnap and MagSafe accessories for my Pixel 10 Pro Fold, but my favorite MagSafe 2-in-1 charger has now been replaced by this Belkin UltraCharge 2-in-1 MagSafe foldable charger. And there are a few reasons for that. But first off, I'll tell you this. If you have a phone with MagSafe that supports Qi 2.2 wireless charging, you want to check out this Belkin UltraCharge 2-in-1 charger. Belkin does have a bunch of MagSafe chargers, so I put a link to this exact one in the description and pinned comment below. Now, the first reason why I like this better than the Ugreen MagFlow 2-in-1 charger, which I recommended in my favorite accessories video, was evident as soon as I opened the box. The 45-watt power supply comes included. That's not the case with the Ugreen, or even Google's first-party Pixelsnap charging stand. In both instances, you need to purchase a 45-watt charger to go along with them in order for them to push that potential 25 watts wireless charge to Qi 2.2 compatible devices. That's an immediate win for Belkin. So us as consumers don't have to look to buy anything else to ensure it works as advertised. Another thing I prefer is the size and weight. Belkin's is slim, lighter, and easier to throw into your backpack or travel pack when traveling. The Ugreen is more premium feeling, but it's a little bulky and heavier. Also, the Ugreen has one shortcoming that meant it didn't always suit my needs. Many of these chargers are designed with Apple products in mind. The charging area for true wireless earbuds on the Ugreen is small and meant really for Apple AirPods, although it works just fine for my Pixelbud Pro 2s when I didn't have a protective cover on the charging case. Also, the charging case on my Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro is just too large for it. On the Belkin, that's not an issue. The design with its charging area in the back allows compatibility for a wider variety of true wireless earbuds. It has a USB-C out on the side, similar to the Ugreen, so I didn't lose the functionality of charging my Pixel Watch 3 with it, which turns this into a great 3-in-1 wireless charger. And lastly, I ran a test using the Charge Meter app to see if any of these chargers pushed out more wattage when wireless charging. For this test, I was using the 10 Pro Fold, which like most foldables, don't support 25 watt of wireless charge. On the Pixel side, you'll need a Pixel 10 Pro XL for that 25 watt support. The Galaxy S26 Ultra or the iPhone 17 series also supports the spec. Of the three chargers, the Belkin pushed a slightly higher wattage at around 11 and 12 watts, with the other two settled in at between 9 and 10 watts. Then when I dropped my earbuds and Pixel Watch on the charger at the same time, it didn't reduce the wattage being provided to the phone, which is a win. The MagSafe magnets are pretty much the same across the board, so no advantages there. All in all, so far, it's been a great charger. It's helped me continue to reduce the clutter of having multiple charging cables. But I just wanted to provide a quick update for anyone who has a Pixel 10 series device or any MagSafe Qi 2.2 compatible device who's looking for a 2-in-1 wireless charger that supports that charging spec. Now, if you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comments below. And while you're at it, please remember to smash that like, subscribe, and notification icon to be notified when another video drops. Thanks for watching, and please remember to spread love, positivity, and try to be helpful to someone in this world today.